Serious? You want to use the Sony DSC HX400V in 2023 for nature photography? Are you nuts? Maybe I am. Oh well.
But then again, maybe not. Here are some pictures that might establish my photographic sanity in using this camera. The HX400V was announced February 12th, 2014. So why would anybody in their right mind use it now? Use this small sensor camera when much more advanced cameras are around? Well, photography is photography, no matter what the year. And if you know how to take a good photograph, you can take a good photograph with a good camera. And this is a good camera. So why not use it in 2023? The camera's been discontinued, but you can get a used one for pretty cheap. Here are a few more photos from the Sony DSC HX400V taken in 2023. All the clips in this video were taken on the HX400V. Now, the video isn't all that great, but it is usable, and it allows you to get some shots far away with this huge 1200mm zoom that you might not get otherwise. Yes, you can shoot video with that great distance lens, but you might want to use some stabilizing element like a tripod. One reason many people get the HX400V is to shoot birds with that long lens. Here are some examples of what you can do in 2023 with that long lens. You still have the ability to get up very close to these birds. Here's another shot of a black and white warbler. Then we get close to a blue jay. And not to be outdone, we get very, very close to that blue jay and take his portrait. Here's an American robin in the grass. And just for good luck, here's another one. I couldn't get enough of the magnolia warbler or yellow-rumped warbler. And here's a green-winged teal. Very pretty. A robin posed on top of this piece of wood, and a red-winged blackbird had something to say about it. A song sparrow, not singing, but he will be soon. And then we have a woodpecker on the side of the tree, where he belongs. Here's the yellow-rumped warblers again, and a few more of them coming up. Here's Goofy me again, looking around for other things to shoot, because you're not limited to just birds or flowers or anything. There's unlimited possibilities with this 24 to 1200 lens and the clear image zoom, which takes that long lens out to 2400. Capture a white dogwood flower close up. Or maybe the top of a wild onion out in the woods. A bean flower in your garden could be a subject for you. Or the hillside in the woods with a stream below. Wildflowers, buttercups grow in profusion for your lens, and a canal makes a good subject. Boats by the side of a stream. Some wildflowers. And some cedar berries. Some clover on the side of the road, or an ancient abandoned coal cellar can be reached with a long lens. Corn growing in a field. Then take it from a different perspective. A cosmos flower, really delightful. And then get close up with a macro. Crimson clover is a lovely wildflower, something you can take on your walk through the woods or through a field. Take everything, photograph everything. More white dogwood flowers. The wild onion close up, and a stream deep in the woods. A fancy lily is a good subject, as is an utterly gorgeous white lily. Capture a small insect on a chicory flower, or some crab apple flowers out in the woods, and a tiger lily. Grrr. Reflections are always good subjects. And don't forget to take a vertical shot of those vertical trees. Can't wait for these tomatoes to ripen. But you can capture some good sunlight on leaves in the meantime. Landscapes are always good subjects with those clouds. And there goes a hiker off into the woods. Another hiking trail is a good subject. And you could get really close up to a tiger lily. Here's a reflection and a log. And a field with a walking path. And then get some nice light on that walking path, the macadam. And of course, here's another milky white flow of water. And the bottom of a tree. Why not? A mushroom can make your day. And be sure to take it on the hiking trail. Whoops, here's a dragonfly who stopped to have his portrait taken. And a sunflower, where else but in the sun? A cosmos flower just about to open. And an ancient oak tree made it to another spring. Here's some candy tuft flower. And some red buds in spring. These berries haven't quite ripened yet, but they're pretty. And we have our stream again, flowing, always flowing. And a bigger shot landscape of the stream. Here's another landscape with beautiful light, beautiful field, beautiful clouds. And here we have the same thing. Of course, if you see a squirrel, use the long lens to capture him. And a landscape of a stream and trees. And there's that sunflower again, with a stink bug of all things. Even he's pretty. And here's your hiking trail again, where you might capture some sunlight through a leaf. And in spring you get these gorgeous Virginia bluebells. Aren't they pretty? I could take pictures of them all day. But we have to move on our hike. And we see some more lovely tree flowers. The possibilities are just endless when you have a lens this versatile. Here's that white lily again. And then the white lily. The last one was a white dogwood, sorry. And here's a white hyacinth in spring. And here's a guy looking for something to eat. Show your front end next time. And some grasses just waiting to wave in the wind. And a morning glory breaking out in the morning. And then we have the stream with a log across it in the hiking trail. And a yellow lily. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, comment, like, and come again. Thank you.